On 17 acres in the middle of the Swedish forest, we're working hard towards a freer, more self-sufficient life by bringing a long time overgrown little homestead back to life.
With no prior experience, you'll today see us attempting to raise the walls of our very first building. It's a small cabin that will eventually become a simple workshop for the equipment we need to manage the forest and farmland. Until our main cabin is built, this will serve as our first roof over our heads while we work on the property.
The lumber we're using comes from the pines that had overgrown the old yard of the previous homestead. We milled it using our portable chainsaw mill.
Our current storage options for the lumber are pretty limited. The humid autumn has caused some graying on parts of it. Based on what we've read, this should not be sufficient to affect the strength of the wood and at this stage appears to be purely cosmetic. Nevertheless, we're grateful for the freezing temperatures, which prevent any spores from continuing to grow.
We're really racing against time this winter to get the roof on and the building weathertight, so the wood has a chance to dry before warmer temperatures arrive.
We're starting by building the long sides, each made up of 2 sections. To build the short sides of the cabin, we need to make our very first lumber purchase for this project. The top and bottom of the wall frame needs to be 4 meters long, a length we cannot mill using our chainsaw mill at this time. We might buy an extension that enables us to do this in the future. Håller emot nu. Om du bara håller där.
Yep.
This first wall is where the door and window will be placed, hence the uneven spacing of the wall studs. We will further reinforce around these at a later time.
Nice. Snyggt.
Just det.
Ja. Den vill inte stå, nej.
Nej. Så. Ja.
Jättelångsamt.
Ja. Håller den åt lite?
Ja, den blev väldigt sned nu.
Ja, det blev den. Tänkte vi inte på.
Nej.
Snyggt. Så. We're now getting ready to build and raise the walls for the short sides. These blocking pieces will be added to give them a sturdy base to stand on. Precis. Jag trycka lite. 230. 239 menar jag.
Ja, just det.
Ja, det.
Jag bara köper det med hull och
ja.
240.
Exakt.
A coffee break later, and through the wonderful magic of video editing, the first short side wall is done, and we're already on to the next one.
Edward Scissorhands. Ja, nu strävar ni. Säkert.
Despite being the shortest wall sections, the short sides were definitely the biggest challenge for us at this stage of the build, as each one is constructed as a single piece. The weight isn't actually that bad, but when you combine it with standing on slippery floor joists, low light and being complete rookies, it definitely got our adrenaline pumping.
Kom igen. Var försiktig nu när den välter över sen.
Snyggt älskling.
Då ska vi se. Kan du, om jag håller här, hoppa ner, knacka in väggen här. Kryp inte under här. Ja. Där händer det något i alla fall.
Ja, det gjorde jättemycket. Går det?
Ja.
Var det?
Jajamän. En gång till.
Nu.
Oj, där ja.
Nu hoppar den ner snart.
Ja.
Är du okej?
Ja. Där ja.
Åh.
Nice. We usually avoid using any strong language in our videos, but here we had to bleep out a few Swedish words. We just couldn't help it.
Ta ett kliv fram. Så ja. Snyggt.
These angle brackets helped us out, as we needed to attach the walls in the right angle. I think we'll keep these in place, even after we screwed the walls together. Now I'm attaching a second top plate. This really binds the wall sections together.
Tack.
As a last step, we're adding these diagonal braces to the corners of the cabin for additional support, as we'll most likely not be using sheathing for the walls.
We're truly so amazed and grateful to everyone following along on our journey. Your thoughtful words and wise suggestions really mean the world to us. Thank you so much. Sending you all love and hope, and we'll see you soon.